Hey y'all. Well, after a day of fun in the sun in Phuket, I was hungry and craving street food. Come along with me as I explore the night markets of Karon Beach.
Well, once again, it's time to eat. Are you seeing a pattern? Let's try the Old Phuket. Let's see what we find. Fresh seafood is everywhere. Fresh from today, kept on ice. Just came in this afternoon. Doesn't look like a lot of food in here, but my plan is to head down to the night market, and I've seen two today out walking around. So I thought I'd check one of those out. My walking app says that since the 9th, I have walked 50 miles since I've been here. Had no idea it was that much. My legs and feet say it's right, but I didn't realize it. Yep, massages are still cheap. Don't think there's anything back in here. A couple more massage places. Cross over and check out the other side. And if there's nothing here, then I'm just gonna head on down to the night market. through, finally pick something, and I will catch up with you as soon as it's on the plate. The decision was a skewer of crocodile and a skewer of chicken wings. 180 baht, about $5.28 US, $5.28. All right, let's try some crocodile. I've had alligator before in New Orleans. Very similar, almost chewy. Yeah, really good. Some chicken wing. Finger looking good.